State President Pynrem juga sang National People's Party Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi oglakan tait badai ka jingkarshan jaga sang BJP yaga NPP akan dek election Lok Sabha kabra shudap kala pelong pakasang NPP kan ram na bro artuli ki jaka katana shalong ban natura handai ula onga daw jaka jingram ka dei namar ka reservation policy ba ka hunger strike kabala pelong da kasang Voice of the People Party haba pensha yaga ni Dr. Kharlukhi ula ong Masani cepat kasi ancan tahils ki brio ke kershan ya ke VVP namar ba kesarkar kelaraban review le namar pentamai ya ke reservation policy karba cepat gara hills pat ke lepek ba kesarkar kalai syak ya ke benta jong kasi bancan tahils ha ka ba kala kubur ba review le namar pentamai ya ke reservation policy ka mana ke than gara pat kem kwa setiaban review.
Politics, like what I said, always changes. Like number one, now we are, for the first time in the history, for the first time in the history of Meghalaya, that we have a chief minister who wins back to back, which means 5 years and then coming back 5 years. So it's quite natural. There are times in which you lose election. See, like Dr. Mukul, 8 years, then he lost election. That is part of politics. Okay, and at the same time, it depends on the situation that you're facing. Like, this time, this side, we are facing a wave. That side also we are facing a wave. So to me, my assessment is not that because BJP supported us. I don't believe that. Why I said that? Because in 2016, not only that BJP supported us, even Joel Aram, the present Tribal Affairs Minister today, he was campaigning with me. And CM won nearly by 2 lakhs, and he break the record in Garo Hills. And those WhatsApp are already read right from the time of PA Sangma. It came that priests are being beaten and all this. It doesn't happen. To me, I may be wrong. This I think is in both ways we lost because of the reservation policy. This side they want to review. They look at us as if we are anti. That side they don't want to review, and they look at the chief minister as who cater to the need of the Khas Hills. But I really appreciate my CM. There are times in politics, for the sake of the unity of the state, it's better that we lose election. But as a statesman, you have to decide what is right. At the height of that agitation, what the chief minister have to do? He have to convene a meeting, he have to agree to review. Because in his seeing that yes, this is the only way out. And I think it hit him that side and it hit us this side. So my point here is this. Well, if this election is won for clean politics, yes, it is good. I'm talking this side, I'm not talking that side. It is good. But if this hunger strike, if this election is won because of the hunger strike to review the reservation policy, I'll tell you it is a bad sign. And don't worry at all. All of us will be reaping the harvest. And I think we'll be still living to see the harvest of this. So this is my observation. Clean politics, yes. I think it's high time that people should not take money in the election. It's very good. But if it's the other way around, it is a bad sign for the state.
So